In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new workflow in Wrike. This process is fundamental if you're looking to tailor your workflow to better suit the specific needs of your projects and improve your team's efficiency. Let's dive right into the steps. The first thing you'll want to do is head over to the Wrike workspace. Once you've logged in and you're at the main dashboard, locate the banner making Wrike section. This area is typically where you handle various administrative tasks, including workflow adjustments. With that section open, direct your attention to the Account Management menu. Accessing the account management is essential as it gives you the control and authority to create and modify workflows. Ensure you have the proper permissions, otherwise you may not have the access needed to complete these tasks. Once you're in the Account Management area, look for the option that says Plus New Workflow. Clicking on this will initiate the process of creating your custom workflow. This is where the real customization begins, as you'll soon be crafting the framework that will help guide your project tasks from start to finish. After clicking the option to create a new workflow, give your workflow a name. Make sure to choose a name that reflects either the project or the specific task structure you're setting up. A clear, descriptive name will help both you and your team recognize and implement the workflow as intended. It minimizes confusion and keeps everyone on the same page. The next step involves adding custom statuses. Custom statuses are crucial because they define the stages through which a task progresses within your workflow. Consider the unique phases your projects typically go through and create statuses that represent those phases accurately. This personal touch means your workflow aligns closely with everyday operations and expectations. Once your custom statuses are set, take a moment to reorder them if necessary. The order in which statuses appear should mirror the natural progression of your project's timeline, from initial stages to completion. To reorder, simply drag and drop the statuses into the sequence that makes the most sense for how your tasks flow. Finally, once you're happy with how your workflow is set up, don't forget to save it. Saving the workflow ensures that all your customizations are not lost and can be utilized by you and your team. This final step is key to integrating your new workflow into the wider team or project operations. In conclusion, creating a custom workflow in Wrike is a straightforward process that brings significant benefits in terms of organization and team alignment. By following these steps, you can create a workflow that suits your specific needs, enhances productivity, and keeps your projects running smoothly. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you manage your projects with greater ease and efficiency.